My name is Lance Pyatt. I got into the rigging community by nature of making some really stupid decisions on a mountain. And because of that, I got myself pulled off a mountain in a rescue. One thing led to the other. And over 20 years, I've been able to meet people from all over the world. None of us are made to be solo people. We don't do well by ourselves. If left by ourselves, we get ourselves into trouble. Nothing's built without community. Nothing is envisioned without community. You can't be inspired without community. To be able to put people into a place where you actually can reach out and touch somebody and have a friend and whether call up or email and say, hey, I've got a problem. I've got to move this 500-year-old bell in one tower, take it out, repair it, and put it back in. How do you do this? I understand you've done this before. To be able to have that kind of accessibility is just not found anywhere right now, and I'd like to help process that and make that a reality. And people just really dwell well with people if they have a common passion, for example, or a purpose. Over time, I began to realize that construction workers, industrial safety folks, administrators, fire departments, search and rescue, climbing, mountaineering, water rescue, slacklining, entertainment riggers, hammermen, everybody is sort of fair game in a sense of giving this gift of information and knowledge. For a community to work well, you have to have a purpose, you've got to have a passion, and you've got to have a platform to be able to do that. Critical point for RLA to work is the ability of having accessible information. The community is core. The content has to be spot on. You've got to work with a lot of people to have a lot of variance in there. There's multiple ways to do one thing, and I might only know one or two of them. In terms of just the delivery of information and the content, I don't think you're going to find anywhere else in the world that has the ability of what we're putting together now or in the future. And this is just going to be getting bigger and better. I just want to get people to be stoked about what they do. Inspire, engage, encourage them in what they're doing, and create a motif that allows an accelerated learning process in places that they could never get.